Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a React.js package which allows you to render dates and timestamps right inside your React.js application in different formats. So you can see it is rendering the today's date, which is 7th of July 2000, 7th of April 2025. It can even render dates relative to a particular date. So you can see it is having this was 12 years ago. So this is actually a date specific library for React.js application, and the name of the library is React Time. If you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package React Time, and it actually renders your formats your timestamps. If you basically want to display some kind of complex date, you can install this package. The command is very simple. It's almost having 1500 downloads. And now to get started here, just create a simple functional component, and after that we simply require the package by this import statement, import require React Time. So you actually import this module using this import statement. So after you require it, you simply declare which date you want to display. So we will get the today's date here by using the date constructor. It will actually store the today's date inside this variable, and then you can even display a date which is a past date related to today. So let's suppose I declare a date here which is in the past here. So this date can be complex here. It can include the date, the current daytime. You can see July 18 2023. This is your time also included in different format GMT. So now if you want to display this inside your application, what you will see, so if you want to display today's date, so you will say today is, and then you use this component which is time, and then it actually takes two arguments here. First of all, the value, you will directly attach the variable here which is now, and which format. So it also expects which format you want to display the date in. So I will provide this format: year, then month, then date. So this is your format here. We are providing this, if you see, and then we can even provide related to it. So the past date, again we provide the value, and then the title format, and here you will simply attach this attribute which is relative. So this is your past date. So this will calculate how many years it is past. So now you can see today's date is this one, and this was 12 years ago. So if you change, let's suppose I say 2009, so now it will calculate the total number of days which is passed. So this was 16 years ago. So this is, you can see, it's a very powerful date timestamp library specifically designed for React.js application. So if you basically want to display dates and times inside your React.js application, then you can use this package here, third-party package. The usage is very simple. You first of all require this package, then you declare whichever date that you want to display, and simply inside your JSX you simply use this component, passing these two parameters, first of all the value and then the format, and then you just add relative to it to add relative date. So this was the package here, very useful package related to date and time inside React.js, which displays formatted timestamps. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.